Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Fiat 500 engine. First, prioritize safety by securely lifting your vehicle onto sturdy jack stands, using the correct jacking points. Next, disconnect the negative terminal from your car's battery to prevent any accidental electrical shorts. Finally, drain all engine fluids, including the oil and coolant, into appropriate containers for proper disposal. This ensures a cleaner and safer working environment. Now, let's move on to disconnecting the engine's various components. Begin by removing the air intake system and carefully detaching the throttle cable. Proceed to unplug all electrical connectors, including those from the ignition coils, various sensors, and the starter motor. Remember to label them if needed. Finally, carefully detach the fuel lines and any vacuum hoses, being mindful of residual pressure. With the smaller connections handled, it's time to address the larger structural elements. Disconnect the exhaust system from the engine manifold, often requiring a 20mm wrench. Next, remove all engine mounts, but only after ensuring the engine is securely supported from below with a jack or hoist. Finally, separate the drive shafts from the gearbox assembly, which can sometimes be a bit tricky. For the final step, carefully support the engine using a robust engine hoist or a transmission jack. If you're removing the engine and gearbox as separate units, now is the time to unbolt the gearbox from the engine block. Once everything is disconnected and clear, slowly and carefully lower the engine out of the vehicle. Remember to double-check for any lingering connections before the final drop. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.